Namaskar students. In this video, we'll do a theorem, very important theorem in the inequality of a triangle. That is, the median of a triangle divide each other in the ratio of 2:1, or the centroid of a triangle divides the medians in the ratio of 2:1. Actually, before coming on this, we have to know about centroid and median. What is median? Median is the line segment which joins the vertex of a triangle to the midpoint of opposite side. किसी भी ट्रायंगल में अगर हम वर्टेक्स को अपोजिट साइड के मिड पॉइंट से ज्वाइन करते हैं तो ये लाइन सेगमेंट जो है मीडियन कहलाता है. एंड इन दिस वे वी कैन सी AD इज मीडियन, BE इज मीडियन, CF इज आल्सो मीडियन. तो हमें इस पे ये नहीं ध्यान देना है कि ऑल ऑफ देम आर गोइंग टू pass through G, because in the previous video we have already learned about it कि all the medians are concurrent, they will pass from a single point and that particular point is known as centroid. What is centroid? Intersectional point of medians. Centroid क्या होता है? medians का intersectional point. practically वो point होता है ट्रायंगल का जो जहां पर आपने अगर फिंगर रख दिया तो triangular sheet can be balanced. It is balanced. So that is centroid. Now this point G is dividing AD, BE, CF in the ratio of 2:1. In other words, AG upon GD is equal to 2:1. BG upon CE is equal to 2:1. CG upon FG is also equal to 2:1. That is to be proved by us here. Thereby construction required. हमें ये तो ध्यान देना नहीं है कि G AD पर है कि नहीं है. Definitely है, because in the previous theorem we have already studied about it. That is Euclid theorem. So we have to produce it. Construction is there. Produce GD to a point F, H. Produce GD to a point H such that GD is equal to DH. Join B to H and C to H. Draw या produce GD to a point H such that GD is equal to DH. This is construction. GD is equal to DH. Since AD is median, then what about BD and CD? They are also equal to each other. Definitely. Because median is defined by the same statement, the line segment joining the midpoint of a side of triangle to opposite vertex. So D is midpoint of BC, means that BD is also equal to CD. BD CD के equal है ही. Now BD is equal to CD and CD, because we are right here, because AD is median and GD is equal to DH. We have drawn construction. Then what about the figure BHCG? Parallelogram. Therefore BHCG is parallelogram. Okay. When BHCG or BGCH, both of them are same. If BHCG is parallelogram, then what is the relation between BH and CG? They are parallel to each other. It means BH is parallel to CG. Acha, when BH is parallel to CG, can we say FG also parallel to BH? Definitely, क्योंकि आप देखें FG और CG एक ही लाइन है, जस्ट प्रोड्यूस्ड है. तो लाइन, दो लाइंस पैरेलल कैसे भी हो सकती हैं. ये लाइन इसके पैरेलल हो सकती है, छोटी बड़ी आगे पीछे से कोई इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं है, कोई मतलब नहीं है. सो वी कैन सी द बोथ ऑफ देम आर पैरेलल टू BH. सो वी कैन सी हियर, देयरफॉर CG पैरेलल टू BH. Therefore, again FG is parallel to BH. FG is parallel to BH. Okay, FG is parallel to BH. Again come on, converse of midpoint theorem. Converse of midpoint theorem. What does it say? It says a line drawn from midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to other side meet the third side at midpoint. A line drawn from midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to other side meets the third side at midpoint. It means in the triangle ABH, in triangle ABH, F is midpoint of AB and FG is parallel to BH. Therefore G is also midpoint of AH. G is midpoint of AH. G is midpoint of AH. Clear? Acha, when G is midpoint of AH, when G is midpoint of AH, it means GH is equal to AG. GH is equal to AG. Now, since BGCH is parallelogram, so GD is equal to DH. We have already by construction also we have taken. तो इसका मतलब GH को हम लिख सकते हैं ना, GD plus DH is equal to AG. तो GD is also equal to DH. So GD plus GD is equal to AG. It means 2GD is equal to AG. So GD is equal to GD upon AG, or you can say here 2:1. 2 is equal to AG upon GD. 2/1 means that AG upon GD is 2/1. It's a very important, means that this median is divided in the ratio of 2:1. Similarly, we can prove the others also, and also we can approach other way, like when you have proved here G is midpoint of AH. G is midpoint of AH. G is midpoint of AH now. Up hereby we can apply again the midpoint theorem. Therefore FG is half of BH, and by the property of parallelogram BH is itself equal to GC. Therefore FG is equal to half of GC या CG. Therefore 2:1, that is equal to CG upon FG. Similarly, we can take this is also CH is also parallel to BG, then GE is parallel to CH. It means GF will be half of HC. So HC या GF will be half of BG. Similarly, GE is half of BG, or 2/1, that is equal to BG upon GE. In this way we can prove, or we have already proved, the medians of triangles intersect or divide each other in the ratio of 2:1. This is all for this theorem. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.